My lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers, and if you are new here, welcome also, guys. We appreciate all of you guys over here, and we thank you very much for all your support that you give to us. So guys, today I'm gonna make a black cake, a rum black cake. So guys, I have my sugar over here and my butter. I'm gonna cream these two together. I have my eggs over here, and I blend my fruits already. This is a lemon zest and orange zest, guys. I have in this. I have my salt over there. I have my flour and baking powder over here. This is my mixed spice and my nutmeg here. This is the mixed spice I use. I have vanilla and lemon essence and mixed essence, almond essence, and I have my brown in here. I have a little almond over here and the white rum over here, guys. So guys, I'm gonna get my butter and my sugar in the mixer and cream it. So stay tuned and keep watching here. So okay guys, in my bowl I have 1 pound of butter and 1 pound of sugar. I'm gonna cream 1 pound of butter and 1 pound of sugar. And this is a unsalted butter and it's a plant based. So I'm gonna cream this on a low. I'm gonna cream it until it's fluffy and nice, guys. I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna scrape down the sides. Okay guys, I'm gonna crack my eggs and I'm gonna take out the eye. I have 8 eggs, guys, and I have 2 pounds of mixed fruits. I weighed that out already. So I'm gonna crack the egg one by one and take out the eye. So I'll be right back, okay? So guys, my 8 eggs is inside right now. Getting everything come together. And I'm gonna sieve my dry ingredients. So guys, I have 1 pound of flour in this. I already weigh it. I'm gonna sieve it. And guys, always sieve your flour, because if anything is inside, you can see it before you use it. Now this one is okay. Okay guys, in this I have half a teaspoon of nut and egg. I have the mixed spice and I have baking powder, and this is my orange and lemon zest. I blend them out, so I'm going to add them to my flour. I'm going to sieve them out. I'm gonna mix everything together, make sure all my dry ingredients are incorporated. So in this I have 2 tablespoons of vanilla, the almond essence, mixed essence, and another almond over there, guys. So I'm gonna add my rum and my browning after. So I'm gonna switch my wet ingredients to my bowl, and I'm gonna mix everything in my bowl. So now I'm gonna add my 2 pounds of raisins and stuff. All my fruits that have been soaked. So I'm gonna add my flour. Just a little bit of my flour. And I'm gonna add my vanilla. We're gonna fold it in, guys. So I added like 3 times, guys. I'm gonna add the rest of my vanilla. So I don't want no lump of any flour, so I added like 3 times. the other rest of the flour. So all my flour is inside now, guys. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of my browning. I'm gonna eyeball my browning. Maybe 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna add a little bit. This may be quarter cup of rum. I'm gonna add some. Guys, we're not gonna over mix the butter. Just gonna make sure everything is blended together. So guys, if you want your cake more blacker than this, you can add more browning. I'm gonna add a little bit more browning to this one because this lady, she like when her cake is black, so I'm gonna add a little bit more browning to this one. Maybe about 2 more teaspoons. I think that's enough. Stand up. Okay, good. This when you make your batter, you must try to make your spoon or your spatula, whatever you use to mix it. From the moment it can stand up in the middle, it's good. Okay, so I think this is okay now. So guys, I'm gonna preheat my oven now, and I'm gonna get my pan, and I'll be right back. So okay guys, as you can see, here is a new pockets inside. So I'm just waiting on my oven to heat up. So this is my 2 black cake, guys. I'm gonna put them in the oven for 2 hours to 3 hours, okay? So stay tuned and I'll see you right back. So okay guys, I'm gonna put my cake in the oven. I have my water bath over there already. So I'm gonna put them in for 3 hours. I think I'm gonna take out the small one before 3 hours. I will check them at 2 hours and then we'll see. So I'm gonna reduce. You preheat your oven to 350, but you're going to reduce it to 250 after. 250. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So okay guys, the cakes are finished baking. I'm going to spray them down. Ouch. Spray them with some rum and some Red Label. I'm having this. They are still warm guys, so that's why I'm spraying it to keep it moist. A little bit too hot. Just to keep it moist and nice. And I'm just gonna let them cool down a little bit more before I take them out. And I'm gonna cut it and show you the final result. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching, and I'll see you as soon as it is cool. So okay guys, so this is a slice of my cake. As you can see, very nice. I didn't have a cherry to put on, so I put on some of my icing that I have on the other cakes. And it's very moist and nice, guys. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching from. Support our videos please. Thank you and see you guys in our next video. Ciao.